National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Union County in north-central Georgia, eastern Fenton County in north-central Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ellijay, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Woo, boy.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ellijay, Blue Ridge, East Ellijay, Morganton, Suches, Hemp, Margaret, Hurst, Jones Creek, Dial, Kisda, Cherry Log, Stover Creek Shelter, Hawk Mountain Shelter, Gaddistown, and Gooch Mountain Shelter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north-central Georgia.